She doesn't look like a traditional superhero, but she is more than just a superhero. With love and compassion as her weapons, she builds trust, empowers her team, and brings success in every initiative. At Findability Sciences, every woman is special and every woman stands out in her own way. Women make up more than 30% of the overall employee strength. With artificial intelligence impacting the future of work, think about the jobs no robot or algorithm could ever replace. They all rely on human traits such as relationship building, empathy, and compassion. And women score higher in all those aspects. Under female leaders, employees get 12% higher emotional support, 7% stronger overall well-being, 6% more manageable workload, 5% better work-life balance, 5% less burnout. Women at Findability Sciences are breaking all barriers and constantly moving ahead.
It's not a role defined by gender. If you have a passion for it, you can do it, and success will come naturally.
One of the most exciting part of any kind of job is the learning process and the growth you gain as an individual. It's really difficult to balance between two, but yes, it's really important.
I believe in living in the moment and giving 100%. So plan your day and execute it.
I take time on the weekends to do things for myself and the family.
I'm blessed with very progressive family who support me a lot. From music preferences to home appliances and healthcare. So artificial intelligence is all around us, even in places you may not realize.
The future is female. At Findability Sciences, we believe in giving equal power and space to grow to every woman.